If you're looking to upgrade your HP EliteBook 840G1 or 850G1, the Comp XP motherboard with the Intel i7-4600U processor is a top-notch choice. This motherboard, identified by part numbers 730,809 to 501 and 7308009-001, offers a seamless upgrade path for your laptop, significantly boosting its performance and longevity. The Intel i7-4600U CPU is known for its efficient power consumption and impressive performance, making it ideal for both everyday tasks and more demanding applications. The Comp XP brand ensures reliability and quality, with the motherboard supporting the LGA 1155 CPU socket, which is compatible with a wide range of processors. This makes it a versatile option for those looking to maximize their laptop's capabilities. The Intel chipset integrated into this motherboard enhances the overall system performance, ensuring smooth multitasking and quick data processing. What sets this motherboard apart is its ease of installation. Designed specifically for the HP EliteBook 840G1 and 850G1 models, it fits perfectly without any need for additional modifications. This makes it an excellent option for users who want to upgrade their laptop without the hassle of dealing with compatibility issues. The robust construction and high-quality components used in this motherboard ensure durability and a long lifespan, providing great value for your investment. Additionally, the upgrade to the Intel i7-4600U processor means you'll experience faster boot times, quicker application launches, and improved overall responsiveness. Whether you're using your laptop for business, creative work, or entertainment, this upgrade will significantly enhance your experience. The efficient thermal management of the i7-4600U also means your laptop will run cooler and quieter, which is a crucial factor for those who use their laptops for extended periods. In conclusion, the Comp XP motherboard for the HP EliteBook 840G1 and 850G1, combined with the Intel i7-4600U processor, represents one of the best upgrades you can make to these laptops. It provides a significant performance boost, easy installation, and the reliability of high-quality components. If you're looking to extend the life of your HP EliteBook and ensure it meets the demands of modern computing, this upgrade is an excellent choice. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.